Your garden is a reflection of you, and some of us, we need to talk. Every year I do this. Hashtag Spring Outdoor Projects 2026. And this is where we reset our outdoor spaces. Welcome back, ELOC Nation. If this is your first time here, welcome. I'm a Maryland urban small space gardener growing in Zone 7B. If it's cluttered, if it's been neglected, if it feels overwhelming, it's not just the garden. A lot of times we're waiting to feel like doing it. But nothing changes until you decide to move. Hey, y'all. This didn't happen overnight, so it's not getting fixed overnight either. Stop waiting. Clean it, plant it, grow it. Pruning isn't punishment, it's preparation. In the garden, you cut back what's overgrown so the plant can grow stronger, healthier, and more focused. Same in life. Sometimes you got to cut back the stuff that's draining you. People, habits, distractions, so the real you can come in full and strong. Overgrown does not mean thriving. Not everything that's growing is meant to stay. Beautiful things don't just grow, they're tended to. In the garden, the prettiest blooms didn't just happen by accident. They had sunlight, space, good soil, and maybe even somebody paying attention. Same in life. Peace grows when you protect your time and your energy. Confidence grows when you keep showing up even when it's quiet. Joy grows when you slow down enough to actually feel it. Love grows where it's watered, not just where it's wanted. Here's the part people skip. You can't grow beautiful things in crowded, neglected, or chaotic spaces. Sometimes you have to clear, prune, and start fresh so what's planted can actually thrive. Because, baby, beautiful things don't fight for space. They flourish in it. This isn't about perfection. It's about starting. Cleaning, resetting, planting, growing. Your garden reflects your habits, your attention, your care. So let's get it together, one project at a time. Whatever your space looks like right now, start there. Big yard, small patio, containers, it doesn't matter. As much as we love our 4 German Shepherds, I'm installing this black metal wire, no-dig decorative garden fence with a gate. And I'm doing so that my plants can grow in peace, because this is a garden, not a dog park. They have the whole other half of the yard to run, play, chase after bees, and all of the fun stuff they like to do. Besides, my plants deserve a better life. These dogs have been out here committing plant crimes with zero consequences. Plant Protective Services finally stepping in. All right, the gate is installed. Security has been upgraded. Now we wait, because these dogs got degrees in mind your business and still get in. I'm calling out Bouger Prepper and Life is Hands. Show me what you got. Show me what you got. And now I'm also inviting all of you to join the challenge. I'm sure we all have a space that could use a little tidying up. Use hashtag Spring Outdoor Projects 2026 so we can see your progress. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.